Hello everyone, I want to show you this wooden birdhouse. This beautiful bird nest is handmade. Look at the incredible details. They were careful with the detail. It is rustic but with delicate gesture of love, with its engraved plates and green grass that will make the bird feel at home. It also brings these little red birds to attract real birds. Really, it's a beautiful little house. It is a beautiful detail for your garden if you have tree at home, or you can even place them in the tree in your community as a gift for the little bird. I'm in love with it. The house is perfect.